Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Incoming Rick 40 here, back today with another episode of the Army of Two with Mason. And in the last episode, oh, hey, how you doing, Mason? How you doing, man?
I'm good.
In the last mission, we tried to fix something and try to fix Mason's screen, but it ended up starting us right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it because we don't know who this guy is.
Sniper, what am I supposed to do? Oh, well, that apparently, well, that was a good start. Oh, the car's gonna blow up.
That made perfect sense. A big guy like that just died in an instant.
I seriously just one-shotted his.
Grenade out!
Got an achievement. Quick scope and everything. Reload. Yeah, I got a little
Mason, I'm gonna go around from the back.
something.
No, I'm going around from the back
Okay.
area.
I'm just kind of like quick scoping. Such a pro. I mean, well, okay. Oh,
Wow, I just took some damage.
I got you. Oh, I see what from too.
Mason,
Nice dodge.
oh, there you go. He took that sniper out. Mason, get to cover. Get to cover.
I can't, there's a brute. I'm reloading.
I got him.
Quick scoping all of that. I smell. No.
Alright. Can we...
Hey,
You know what?
I'm getting cut off my mic and all.
Distracted, go!
Oh my gosh. Oh no, Mason.
Over here!
Mason.
Oh, thanks. Oh, you're just great. Okay.
There were two of them behind me.
I got you.
I was dying there.
You're the
Wow,
best!
nice rush.
Looks clear.
The sniper was on the ground. Was he
I
stupid?
know, like,
Look for a door at the end of the street.
I'm a sniper. Are you calling me stupid?
No, I'm not calling you stupid, Mason.
Door to me. Let's move.
Calling him stupid.
You should see stairs on the other side.
No.
They'll lead you into the plaza.
Copy that.
Mason! Oh, you're right behind me.
I'm always right behind you.
Mason, you can breach for
Bravo,
once.
let's move.
Can I change guns? No.
We're at the plaza.
Make your way to the other side.
This place is crawling with cartel. Let's get to it.
Mason, just a couple grenades.
Oh, whoa.
Man.
He like ragdolled.
He died, like, he hit me. He hit me and died.
Yeah, I know. I shot it.
Assumed.
Oh no, what is that?
It's okay, Fiona. I didn't think you knew either. RPG gone. Move.
That was the plan, right?
Door on ground level, across the plaza from where you came in.
Copy that.
I'm having some fun over here with these guys. Mason,
They almost hit me with a car. Why are they driving an SUV? Don't you think they'd be driving something more?
manly.
Oh, I forgot about that. Shoot the fireworks. Firework lock.
Yay, fireworks. No, wait, Mason, we were just complaining about how unmanly those two were, and we're like, yay, fireworks.
No, you said yeah, fireworks. I said shoot the fireworks lock.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whew, I just took some heavy damage. Okay, Mason, they're down here. Alright. Really?
Reloading.
Mason, there's like a bunch of them down here. Oh gosh. I think there's an
Oh,
RPG.
yeah, there is.
Either there's an RPG or those fireworks are killing us. There's an RPG.
Oh, found one. Okay, I'm dead.
Mason, no.
I think the
Stay with me.
I killed one.
Thanks, brother.
That's the other one.
Alright.
There's more on the ground.
Yeah. There's a brute.
That was well played.
Mason, stop blowing people's heads off.
No.
Jeez.
That was not a good sound behind you.
Good call.
Ooh, nice.
Oh my gosh.
See that? I hope you got that.
I did.
We got an RPG.
You just broke someone's neck.
I know.
Mason, brute.
I. Wait, jumping from that height. You need first like break your ankle.
Help a brother
Okay.
up.
I'm getting hit hard. Kill him.
Yeah, I killed him.
Got you.
What do you think I am, a noob?
All right.
Wait,
I mean,
what was
you are
that?
getting to, like, third to last.
Clear. Copy that.
Look for a door at the end of the alley.
Mason? I have a grenade launcher.
That's pretty.
Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me.
I need you.
That is the second time I have gone.
Okay.
Hold still.
Get you up.
All right.
Every kind for the win, boys. I got this, Mason.
Oh, I found it.
Oh, we did it! Woo! Hey, I'm a rank 8, I think. Yes, money. You know what? No, I'm a rank 7.
Wait, whoa.
What?
Oh, okay, nothing. I was freaking out for a second.
Mason? I'm gonna be very. I'm gonna go in
Like, the
first.
reset armory thingy.
Be very quiet, Mason.
We're not getting through the front door.
Is that gonna be a problem?
No, I don't think
That is
so.
a very
Over here.
well placed
What's
car.
that?
Yeah.
Nice. I like where this is going. It's dead.
We're gonna push it. Pop the clutch. We set the C4 on the truck. Drive it through the front gate, get the hell out of there, and blow the charges.
That's one out of my playbook.
Mason, do you know that?
Mess this up somehow.
This is gonna be awesome.
This, did you hear you guy? This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna
Go
shoot.
driver shoot. Yes. I shot last time. I wanted to try this time.
Wow, Mason, you got some really good driving, man.
Well, you're also.
I know.
I thought you meant.
Yeah, here we go, Mason.
Love actually. I don't know how to do this. Oh, holy. Steering. Ooh, that's fun.
Na.
Oh, there's an accelerated button.
Come on, Mason.
Well, I thought they said that like the.
Maybe you could try driving straight.
Yeah,
Maybe you could kiss my ass.
yeah,
I thought it meant like.
yeah. I know what you mean.
Weird though. Oh no. Oh, go, 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 go!
Did you just see that? Did you see that guy go flying up in the air?
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
I believe in you, Tyler. You can do this.
I know I
They got
can.
an RPG. RPG is
That's all you.
I know.
More of it as much as I can. Kind of hard to do this with the car space. Oh, the windshield's cracked.
Way to go, Mason.
Oh,
This is it. Get ready to jump clear.
Just go.
What do I hit? Do I hit a button?
Nope, you don't hit a button at all.
Okay, good. Why'd you put C4 in it if you were gonna...
What was? Oh, is this Jason?
No.
No, it's Alex Mason from Call of Duty Black Ops 2.
We gotta get clear before we can blow the truck. I know.
Did I just take a shot with
Got a
my
plan?
sniper blindly?
I'm working on it.
And you just kept shooting. You just kept da 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 da. Oh,
Shit.
yeah, yeah. That
You part of your plan? She is now. Move.
Mason, you look so dumb holding your sniper. I'm
I
sorry.
don't look
You waiting
dumb,
for somebody
I look
else?
awesome, okay? Look how cute.
Get in the truck. Go.
You're nasty.
Hit it with a car?
Cool guys don't look at explosions.
Why did the whole thing blow up? We had
Be-
one car.
Mason, you gotta think. They're carrying grenades and stuff in there just in case anyone ever invades it.
But it wouldn't blow
GPS
up like
is
that.
over
Okay,
there.
I'm gonna shut up.
Can't believe it's you. 5 goddamn years.
Since you two on Rios got me out of Bautista's compound. Yep.
The last time we saw you,
Last
were...
time you saw me was 5 years ago.
What are you now? Merc? Bounty hunter? Freelance killer?
I want to kill Esteban Bautista. I'll figure out the rest after he dies.
Fair enough.
Found PI in Castle. Their GPS signals are coming from the resort just outside the city.
Raya del Sol.
Yeah, that's where they took Cordova.
No, it's not. There's an abandoned church not too far from town. They store drugs and guns there. They take him there.
Yeah, well, GPS says otherwise.
I've been studying La Guadaña for the last 5 years. Trust me.
PI and Castle are at this resort. They're Cordova's assigned bodyguards. Either they're with them or they're doing whatever they can
And
to
either
get 'em
way,
back.
it's gonna be better to regroup. We go to the resort.
Fine, but you know I'm coming with you.
Hey, it's her truck.
I was gonna say, are you gonna take that? She just like told you off.
I didn't even hear what she said. What did she say?
Well, you were like, hey, let's go to this place. And she was like, no, you're wrong. That's a stupid idea.
Oh wow.
It was much nicer than that, but...
Mason, you know what I noticed? You're the guy in this. You're the guy in this series who does like all the brute force, and then I'm the guy who does like all the hacking and stuff.
Except for I use a sniper, not like a...
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I guess a sniper is
Sniper is considered a heavy gun if you think about it.
semi...
Mhm. If you think about it,
What time, or how much time?
like 14 minutes.
Okay.
We'll probably do this one and we'll end it off.
I think this one's
Never
pretty
been to a Mexican resort before.
Stay focused. We have work to do here.
Right. Pretty quiet around here.
We know PI and Castle are here, so be ready.
Shit! Get to cover!
I'll take him out. I got you.
Oh wow.
We got eyes on you from up here. Recommend you stay right where you are.
Oh dang.
Sit back and relax. Height just might beat my record.
And another one.
Oh dang. He is a good shot.
That did it.
He is a good shot.
Welcome to the resort.
The way their bodies
Pike,
fall,
Bradley, have you heard from PI or Castle?
forward,
Their GPS says they're here. We'll find them. Clear past the lobby inside. We'll regroup with you there.
Roger that.
more painful.
Yeah.
If we get out of this,
Hey Mason, grenade out! There's an RPG.
See that? That's
I didn't see it.
under the car.
They're trying to get themselves killed.
Mason, there's a sniper.
Where?
Sniper, taken out.
I got him. There's another RPG. You've got to be kidding me.
Reloading.
Mason, I'm a distraction.
I'm gonna be reloading. Reloading. I'll take out the like 2 guys at the very end of the hall. Watch out behind, side.
Ah!
Alright, I'm taking out the guys way down here. Wow, what? I was dead on.
Alright, I got this.
Take out the one to your side.
Yeah, I see what you mean now. How they knife them in the neck and then they just punch them.
Yeah, like it's unnecessary. Oh man.
You moving up?
Just for good measure. That well played. Ooh, dang! That was very well played.
Mason, what did I tell you about blowing people's heads off?
I'm sorry, it's an addiction. Oh, hey.
Pike,
I
Bradley,
got him.
we're in position.
I
Yeah, sure took your time.
Sorry, man.
We have to get to the lobby.
Roger that.
That's so mean.
Roger. Going hard and fast. Stay focused.
I'm gonna breach with my sniper, because that's how cool I am.
I'm gonna breach with this.
Okay, are you ready?
What are you doing? Hey guys. Cool guys.
Oh, that's bad.
Mason.
I got it. Or not. Oh, you can't move whenever.
Da 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 da. Oh wow, that was horrible. I don't even see anybody.
I think they're all on that upper balcony. Yeah, they are. They're on that upper balcony.
I got them. Ah, ah, ah.
That's not cool.
I got him. Alright, Dad. I'll do it in a second. Okay. Mason. Oh.
Oh, God. Yo.
Where do we have to go? Where are they at?
Look at the upper balcony.
Here they come.
I hear them.
Damn.
Oh, there they are.
Where's the sniper?
Alright, Dad. Where are these guys at? I don't even. Oh, right here, Mason.
Oh, he's on me.
Hang
Wherever
on.
he is.
I'm reloading.
Found him.
I don't even know where he's at. Oh, Mason, I see him.
They're in the center upper balcony.
Got him.
Watch out, machete.
I got this. Don't help me. I got him. Right.
Upper balcony again.
Oh, dang. Alright.
There's a guy behind here. That's the one. Yep. That's the thing I love about this guy. It can destroy cover in one shot. hide behind stuff.
I see. Okay, there you go. All right, Mason. We have to go this way.
More.
Okay. Oh, Mason. Mason, we're over here now.
I know, there's more on the upper balcony. Here, let's just do that.
Our mezzanine is secure. We're clear. We're moving out. Now, once we meet to the other side. Cartel fleeing the resort in a
There
hurry.
we go.
You go meet up with
We have to get to the
PI and
elevators,
Castle.
right?
We'll
Let
find
us
out where
in.
the runners are going.
Son of a bitch. No, that's a good plan. All right, stay in contact if you can. We'll find PI and Castle.
On it. Thanks for the assist back
We
there.
can go, why can't we
Stay
go?
safe.
Ah, there we go. All right, Mason. So let's go ahead and end off the episode.
Okay.
All right, guys. So thank you all for watching this episode of The Army of Two. I know we haven't gotten really far. It's just these ones have been really long recently. And so yeah, guys. Thank you all for watching. And Mason, you got anything else to add?
Not really. I mean, just, you know, like, comment, favorite, subscribe, all that good stuff. So
And
that way we know
guys.
that we're doing our job.
And guys, this time, I know we did 5 likes last time. Let's try to hit 7 likes on this video. I know that's pushing it a little bit, but I know you guys can do it. I believe in you guys. And me and Mason will see you guys in the next episode.
Bye bye.